Meaning of DJ.
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 DJ. DJ can refer to different things depending on the context. In the context of music, DJ stands for disc jockey and refers to a person who plays recorded music for an audience, typically in a club or at a party. The DJ creates a continuous flow of music by selecting and mixing tracks, often using turntables and a mixer. DJs are highly skilled and influential in shaping music trends and culture. Overall, DJ is a term that has become synonymous with the art of playing and manipulating music to create an enjoyable experience for listeners.